It's a new 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLE. It's the dictionary definition of a premium SUV. In it, you'll get lasting luxury and constant capability. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Turbo V8 engine, active front and rear anti-roll bar, streaming audio, remote engine start, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automatic parking sensors, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and power heated mirrors. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.